Well, hello all. This is the last classic takedown skin in my shop inventory. Somebody purchased it, so I'm just going to do the all the mod upgrades that I have listed on that listing. Pretty straightforward. I'm sure you've, sure there's mod tutorials out there, but if you feel like watching along or using this one as a reference, it'll be here for you. Remember, this last one tends to, be a little fused in there. If you use a drill to get it out, there's a tendency to strip it. There we go. All right, just pop this guy out. Take out this lock so we can double, triple prime. Obviously, the spring's got to go. Putting in a K25. Was that 11? Yeah, 11 coils. Do a little fix here. It's been a while. 1 second. So the plunger isn't quite sealed. So we'll do wipe that on. A little plumber's tape build up on the this guy. I believe it was 3 wraps. We'll do a few extra. Just make sure we've got enough on there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. This is just to compress that plumber's tape so that you don't find out later you didn't quite have enough on there. It compresses on its own. That'll be too tight. No. Pretty darn close. It's right. You want it right on the ledge of feeling resistance and that's what I'm looking for. Fluid movement. Alright. Add a little bit of lithium grease here. Oh, perfect. All right. do a pre-compression. Sure. Yeah, some of these blasters with the K25, these flanges, they're a little bigger than the K25, so it gets caught. I think the Cronus is one of them, but this one you don't have to worry about. All right. I believe that was it for the locks, just the rear lock here. If I remember correctly, neither of these are all that essential at this point, but take them out or leave them. All right. Looking good. Don't want to fire that right now. Now, I haven't seen a good source for any more of these, the red takedowns, but they do have that Deadpool one. I'll probably have a re-up the listing with that option. Maybe I'll add on some speed loaders or rail attachments, sights, spruce it up a little more, make it a little more interesting. Or just the blaster with the internal upgrades. Go. All right. Great. Don't have that lock, so we can double prime, double check. See if there's balls in there. See if we can get that on camera, the blowback. Alrighty, put it over the chronograph, see how it goes. Whoop. Alright, 140.8, 140, 143.3, 144.5, 146.6. All right. Do a few of our little primes. Cool. Nope. A few more.